Good morning, students. How are you? I hope so that you are fine. Today we are starting poetry section, and in this poetry section we are taking the first poem, My Mother at 66. Students, this poem is composed by Kamla Das. Kamla Das was an Indian poet. In this poem, the poetess is describing about her fear of separation to her mother. As you are watching the title, in this title it is clear that the mother of poetess has already completed her 66 year. Now she is very old. So we are going to start the poem. The first stanza is here. Driving from my parents' home to Cochin last Friday morning, I saw my mother beside me, dozed, open-mouthed, her face ashen like that of a corpse. You are watching one thing, the whole poem is a single sentence. You are watching here. The whole poem is a single sentence and it is punctuated by the commas, as you are watching here. So, now we are coming on the first stanza. The poetess is going back from her parents' home to Cochin airport. Actually, she came to spend some time beside her parents. And now she is going back towards the airport. So, the first line, driving from my parents' home to Cochin last Friday morning. Last Friday morning, the poetess was coming back to the airport and I saw my mother. When she was coming towards the airport, she was coming in the car and with her, in the car there was her mother. She was also sitting beside her and I saw my mother, means the poetess saw her mother who was sitting beside her, in the car. Those, it was morning time and at the time of morning, the poetess mother was feeling sleepy. Open-mouthed, her mouth was opened and she was sleeping. Her face ashen like that. And her face was pale, like that of a corpse. Like that of a corpse means dead body. So there are coming three words, doze, ashen and corpse. Doze means feeling sleepy. Ashen means face was looking yellow, like that of a corpse. Corpse means dead body. So students, in stanza number 1, the poetess is describing when she was coming back from her parents' home to the Cochin airport. At that time, she was coming in the car and beside her, the mother was sitting there. It was the time of morning. Mother was feeling sleepy and her face was looking pale like a dead body. Now we are coming on stanza number 2 and realized with pain that she was as old as she looked, but soon put that thought away and looked out at young trees sprinting, the merry children spilling out of their homes. So, now the poetess is saying, and realized with pain. She was realizing the pain that she was as old as she looked. She was realizing the pain about her mother's age. Means she was feeling about her mother and her mother has become very old. But soon put that thought away. But very soon she put that thought away. She tried to divert her attention from her mother and looked out at young trees. She looked outside of the window and she found that the trees are sprinting. Means when they were going in that direction, so in opposite direction it was seeming that the trees are sprinting, trees are running. The merry children spilling out of their homes, and the children who were coming out of their homes, spilling means they were coming out of their homes and they were very happy. So you are watching here that trees and young children both are symbol of energy. But on the other hand, the mother of poetess is already very old. So students, I hope so that you have come to know which is explained in this poem in these two stanzas. In next video, I will discuss about some more stanzas. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.